So I always thought that this money hack was commonly known to a lot of people in Singapore until last week, when I went out with my friends and I shared with him, I've been making money using Google Pay, and he was like, what? And this happened.
Oh. He's stretching on it. Did I see correctly?
Yeah, you take that.
You got $21? What the? How do they decide? Is it random?
Random.
Yeah, you scroll to the top. See how much cash you got in total. $78 just by scratching.
Thank you, Google.
So that got me thinking, if he doesn't know, then do you? And that's why I'm making this video. In this video, I'm going to share everything that you need to know: how to set up, how to get it working, why does it even work, is it a scam, and how you can earn $5 for free just by doing this thing step by step. Oh my god, I almost sound like a scam guru right there. So alright, jokes aside, so if that sounds good to you, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and watch till the end for the YouTube algorithm. So now the question is this a scam? Well, to be honest, if we can understand who is the one that's paying you or me to kind of get this free money, then we kind of understand whether this is a scam or not. So in this case, it is the big tech. What do I mean by that? So in this case, Google, as well as many other new upcoming companies in the fintech space, they want you to start using their products and services. So in this case, it could be argued that it's the VCs, it is the investors, or Google themselves that are trying to subsidize us to kind of consider, hey, maybe I should consider using Google Pay. You know what I mean? So Apple is trying to compete in this space, Google is trying to compete in this space. In fact, all your local banks are also trying to compete in this digital payment space, even Grab as well, right? So basically, investors are paying you to use their app. So isn't that a great deal? No scam, free money. Of course, you won't be able to earn like thousands of dollars, I believe not. You're gonna earn like hundreds of dollars. It works kind of like a cashback. So how this works is that basically your phone has this NFC function, and if you use like the Google Pay's latest app, any purchase over $10, just need to tap your phone, you actually get like a mini reward. And Google kind of randomly provides you with a gift on top of your credit card rebate. So if you use like a credit card, you get extra rebates like the 5% cashback as much as, plus Google Pay reward. And sometimes the Google Pay reward can be as huge as like $20-ish. In fact, my friend got it twice in the same day itself. But in my personal opinion, I did kind of notice it's somewhat related to how much you purchase. So that means maybe if you buy like a $2,000 camera, you could get up to $20. For me, because I am pretty frugal, I spend very little, so I rarely have purchases that are over $10, only when I eat out with my friends. And that's why most of my rebates are like in the cents. So that being said, I have been accumulating a lot of this reward ruffles, so that later we can kind of unravel this thing together and see how much I can get. So before I proceed any further to kind of share with you how exactly do you set it up, let's start by me showcasing all my latest reward tickets. Alright, so phone please. Right, okay, so this is my phone. I'm going to just put the screen of my phone somewhere here or here and kind of walk you through the process. So first, you need to go to the Google Play Store to find this Google Pay app. Just bear in mind the logo looks like this, and all you need to do is just press the open. Yeah, so bear in mind that if you press a step back, the Google Pay icon on your phone is going to look a little bit different compared to what you see in the App Store. So just bear in mind. So now I'm in the Google Pay page. What you do is just scroll down to the bottom, and there's this section called Rewards. So click on it, and then you see that there's a whole bunch of rewards over here. And right now there's two that I can only open on 16 November, and you can see I've already earned like $20 so far. And I have a bunch, like a whole bunch of this raffle tickets, coupons, scratch codes that I want to scratch with you guys so you can see. Okay, so the first one, let's begin. You could win up to $888. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to scratch basically what you do, and yeah, so you don't always win every single time. Back to rewards. Disappointment. So you scratch, and there we go, 56 cents. Okay, fine. I'm just, a relatively frugal guy. So how this is being paid to you is through like Pay Now. So you see it in your bank account. Hopefully by this end of this video, you'll be able to see how much I make. So sorry, see the bank transfer in. Okay, so 67 cents. Don't mind the SMS. 36 cents. So as you can see, most of my purchases are very small and I don't get like big cashbacks. 77 cents. Come on, give me a $10. 41 cents. Ah, come on, $10. 46 cents. $8.50. Ho ho ho! Alright, $8.50. 63 cents. So yeah, all of this is on top of my credit card cashback, you know. So if you want me to make like a credit card, like a credit card, you know, review video, let me know what you think. I might do that. 50 cents, nice whole number. So they have weird like numbers. Sometimes they give you like 63 cents, 32 cents, 55 cents. So again, let me just scroll up real quick to check. 42 cents, I have $34 now. So okay, so $34 now. Wow, never get anything. Okay, so again, 63 cents. Come on, give me a $20. Voila, didn't get anything. Okay, so looks like that's it for me. Got like what, $12 out of this thing. So my friend that I went out with that day, he got $80 in terms of cashback, just to give you some perspective. So basically, if you go to the homepage, what you can do is to invite your friends to sign up for this Google Pay. So once they signed up, you immediately get $5. So you get $5, your friend get $5, so $5 each. So I have a promo code. I'm going to leave it down in the description below. No, in fact, I'm going to just leave it here. So it pops up. You can use it and it helps me get $5. It really supports this channel. If not, you can find any of your friends, your relatives. So maybe you use my promo code. I get $5, you get $5, and then you get all your family to use your promo code. So everyone in your family gets $5 each, or $10, right? So I hope that helps you. And I noticed this little problem because like when I download Google Pay, right, you need to use this NFC function. So you click on the NFC icon and then basically you set up your card and then pay on it. Sometimes the NFC function does not work. So what I noticed was that I downloaded this app called API. So I downloaded this app called Aptoid, which allows you to download the outdated version of Google Pay. So that means that you need two versions of the Google Pay app, both the new and old version. So notice on my phone, I have both the old and new version of the Google Pay app. So by having the old app, it allows you to kind of... Sorry, I don't understand. So that's how I kind of like bypass the NFC bug that's been plaguing like the Google Pay app. So I hope this video is helpful. Please, if you found this useful, share it with everyone, you know, so that you can earn $5 and hopefully I can earn something too. So with that said, thank you for watching and do check out my other videos over here and here, and I'll see you next time.
They're in.